So, working in an industry servicing a bunch of young guys making a lot of money. Oh, thank you. Yeah. So a lot of younger guys that all of a sudden are making a lot of money, and the money goes out as fast as it comes in. For a lot of people, I feel like I'm speaking in gross generalizations. Is that the right word? Anyway, and that's not really fair. Those are just the people that stand out the most, right? How much crap does your sister have to put up with? That's true. Like, yeah, you're gonna put up with crap, like working in the service industry. But yeah, if you work in the service industry, when oil's good, you can make some money. Some people give oil workers a bad name, just like geese give birds a bad name. Hitch has cycled so much he's changed time zones. This is our third time zone. We started Pacific Standard Time, we went through Mountain Time, and now we're in Central. And then, when did we get to Eastern? Somewhere in Ontario. But I don't know how far into Ontario we have to get. I've heard a French show called, I'm not going to try and pronounce it because I suck at reading French. You would love it. It's a guy that goes countries with no plans and goes meet people and try to sleep at their place. And he meets people and his goal is to try and sleep at their place. It's like, hi, my name is Trevor. They're like, hi, my name is Tom. And then your goal is to like go from introducing yourself to be like, let me sleep at your place. It's like a game. How quickly can I find a place to stay? As long as you get in Ontario, it's Eastern. Wait, so it's gonna cross. We're gonna cross the Eastern when we cross like before Kenora. Is Eastern like as soon as we hit the Ontario border? That's actually kind of exciting. New time zone. That'll be our 4th time zone. Looking forward to EU to 2021. Yeah, we probably won't be able to do anything big international till next year. Hopefully, it'll be hitchhiking to TwitchCon, like what our last Europe trip was, because hopefully there'll be a TwitchCon in the spring, but we'll find out. I'm not 100% optimistic. It's Dryden. Dryden's your central eastern border. Is Canada fun to drive across as a road trip? It depends how you're doing it. If you're, let's say you fly into Montreal and you're like, I'm going to drive to Vancouver in 5 days. That's not going to be fun because you're going to be driving 1,000 kilometers a day. Yeah, 1,000 kilometers a day. That's a lot of driving. You're not going to see much and you probably won't enjoy it that much. The slower you go, probably the more you'll enjoy it. Some people come to Canada and then they don't realize how big it is. It is really big. So you like, if you don't want to feel rushed and spend all your time driving through the middle of nowhere, give yourself some time. Middle of Canada's kind of boring. Well, we've just spent the past like 2 weeks in the middle of Canada, and I've really enjoyed it. Well, like when I say the middle of Canada, I'm thinking prairies as a general whole. Like once we left the Rocky Mountains in Alberta, headed east, that's kind of where I started the middle of Canada in my head there. And I've enjoyed the prairies. What have you guys thought of the prairies? We've been here for a while now. We're about to leave. That's crazy. We're about to leave the prairies. Thank you so much.
Can I grab anything for you right now?
I'm good for now. Thank you. Look at my little cute little poofs of ricotta cheese. Just little poofs. They like put the ricotta cheese into little like piping bags. How cute is that? I've already eaten a lot, so it's pretty thin crust. We might be able to smash this. Are you hungry? Long distance cycle touring makes your appetite insatiable, unquenchable. What happens if you have to poop on the road? This stream is brought to you by Depends. Depend on it. Cheers to Hitch, you deserve all that pizza and maybe one more. Why not? Why not? But yeah, I've lost 10 pounds on this trip. So let's try to get 1 pound back today. Get your bike worked on today? I did, but not for the reasons I thought. So when I left where I was staying last night, I carried my bike out, set it down, rode to the road like 1 block. I'm like, I feel real loose in the back there. A mech, but it was not mech, and that's where I got my aero bars. They were super nice there, even though they were very busy. One of the staff there took a lot of time to help me out. Replaced your spare tube? Well, the flat we had was the one I patched back in BC from the fishing hook incident. So they replaced that tube, and we just got rid of the old one. Perfect place to get a flat? No, absolutely. Like being in the middle of a major city is a good place to get a flat. There's lots of options for easily getting that repaired. So, yeah, it's better than me getting a flat in the middle of nowhere. The bike shop downtown? Yeah, I think it's called the bike shop. I think. They were super nice there. A lot of their stuff was sold out, but they helped me. Northwest Ontario? Yeah. So if that tire held on for a couple more days, I would have been riding into some serious bush, get a flat,